We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Article 3, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be defined the equal protection of the laws. Article 6, Section 29. No money shall be paid out of the treasury except in pursuance of an appropriation made by law.